All grown-ups were once children, but only few of them remember it. The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning and welcome to our much-awaited Book Character Parade, where we celebrate the transformative power of literature in shaping not just stories, but also our world.
I'm Teacher Pauline, and I'm thrilled to be here today as one of your hosts for this exciting event. I look forward to guiding you through an unforgettable experience.
Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Jane Buri, and it's an absolute pleasure to be hosting with Teacher Pauline. Alright, we're excited to be part of today's celebration and can't wait to share this wonderful journey with you all.
This year's theme, From Word to World, unveiling the revolutionary advancements of 21st century literature, highlights how literature continues to evolve, creating bridges between imagination and reality, sparking change and inspiring generations.
We are excited to see everyone's creativity and passion as we bring beloved book characters to life today. To officially start our program, let's all rise for a prayer to be led by Teacher Jackie Delelarte. A warm round of applause to Ma'am Erlinda Pariol, English Elementary Subject Head.
Good morning po to our dear parents, Sophians, and candidates. On behalf of the English Department, I welcome you to our exciting Book Character Parade as part of this year's English Week activity. Our theme, From Word to World, unveiling the revolutionary advancement of 21st century literacy, is all about how words have the power to shape and transform the world around us. So bring our stories to life. Enjoy the parade and remember, every story begins with a word. Begins with a word. And with that word, a new world unfold. Thank you po.
Thank you, Ma'am Erlinda Pariol, for your inspiring message. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to meet the individuals whose expertise and keen eyes will guide us through today's event. Our judges are not only esteemed in their respective fields, but also share a deep appreciation for the art. With their wisdom and insight, they will ensure fairness and excellence in evaluating our participants. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we introduce our panel of judges. Let's have Miss Apple Toledo, our school librarian. We also have Teacher Erlinda Pariol, Elementary English Subject Head. And Teacher Daniela Divina, our Grade 4 teacher.
Each participant will take the stage to showcase their chosen book character and tell us briefly of the story that inspired their costume. Judges will evaluate the clarity and enthusiasm in the introduction, 30%, with a total of 100%. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for the Book Character Parade.
Let's start with our first category, Aesop's Fable Characters. Please welcome our participants. Our first participant from Kinder 1 Magellan's Cross, may we call on Dais Dylan Gabriel, the tortoise from the Tortoise and the Hare. Warm-up applause.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Again, anak.
Now let's call on the next participant from Kinder 1 Fort Santiago, Marquez Sebastian Liam, as the role from The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Next na si Show.
And now, from K2, Banamar Rice Terraces, from the hair and tortoise.
Thank you, Queen. From Kinder Corridor, let's call on the next participant from the Banamar Rice Terraces, Sai Grace Golden, the grasshopper from the Ant and the Grasshopper. The cat from The Cat and Venus.
Iya na siya.
Hello everyone, I'm Mouse from the classic Asian fables, The Lion and the Mouse. You might know me as a little guy who surprised everyone. I'm known for being quick and nimble, but I've also learned a thing or two about the importance, your kindness and gratitude. They're full of surprises, and sometimes the smallest action can have the biggest impact. Remember when I first met the mighty lion, I said, "Please, oh mighty lion, spare my life. I will never forget your kindness, and I promise to repay you someday." And guess what? I kept my promise when the lion was in trouble. I said, "Fear not, lion. I will repay your kindness. I may be small, but I'm strong in my own way. My name is Athena Kali Emperor from Kinderdo San Juanico Beach. Thank you for listening."
Yay!
Thank you, Athena. And now for our next study. Luzon, Manila, Macy Lorene Cara. Thank you, Donna and Macy. Now let's call on our next. Thank you, Riser. Now let's go on from grade 2 Mount Pinatubo, Rubio J. Caleb Luis, our Black Panther.
from the whole outcome. The work of the community. My name is Thor, the god of thunder, from Norse mythology by Neil Gaiman. I protect the Asgard and the realms with my hammer, Mjolnir. I am strong, brave, and a defender of justice.
Thank you, Usher. What an incredible showcase of talent and creativity. Let us all welcome again our participants together with the TDC Dance Company for their special performance. Let's give them a round of applause and...
What about me? Do you really think I can be happy?
Of course! It's inside you! It's inside of all of us! And I don't think it is. I feel it! I got this feeling inside my mind. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on.
And if you want it inside your soul, just open up your heart and music take control. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that soul in my feet, feel that fire in my body, when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You know I feel really rocking, so stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close.
Let's give them again a big hand. From Kinder 1, we have the tortoise, the bear, and the wolf. From Kinder 2, we have the tortoise, grasshopper, horse, cat, crab, and the mouse.
So now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you.
Escuela de Sofia Caloocan Incorporated English Department awards this certificate of participation to our participants for joining Book Character Parade as part of the English Month 2024 with a theme From Word to World, unveiling the revolutionary advancements of the 21st century literacy, given this December 2024 at Escuela de Sofia of Caloocan Incorporated. Signed by our English elementary subject head, Erlinda Di Pariol, Student Activity Coordinator, Christine S. Matarazzo, English High School Subject Head, Benjamin Shalom R. Isidore, our Directress Office of Student and Services Affairs, Maria Lourdes Clamor Mercado, and our School Directress, Principal, Maria Lauren Clamor Canlas.
Again, let's call on the participants. Dais Dylan Gabriel. Next, Zevanaya Manyo, Sebastian Tia Marquez, Chua Queen Tiaira, Morgan Sai Grace, Tamayo Keegan, Cabas Aquila Giona, Eran Dwayne, and Caranto Athena Kali. Thank you so much for your participation. Once again, our kinder participants for the Book Character Parade. Let's give them our applause. Now let's call back the participants from grade 1 and grade 2. Now it's time to announce the winners of our Book Character Parade. Let's give a big hand to all our participants for their incredible effort. parent of Dwayne Aram to come to the stage with him for the awarding. Congratulations, Dwayne Aram.
Next, for the third place, let's go on stage. From Kinder 2, Intramuros, Cabas, Aquila, Jonah, Kat, and from the Kat and Venus. Parents, please come on stage. Please, thank you.
Congratulations again. Now let's call on our second runner-up from Kinder 2, Banana Rice Terraces. Let's call on Morgan Sai Grace from the Ant and the Grasshopper.
The mouse from the Lion and the Mouse. Congratulations, Athena.
Now, for our champion, let's call on from Kinder 2, Corregidor.
Dory. For the 5th runner-up,
Congrats, my love! Congrats, my love! Oh, you say thank you, my love!
Panther. Bad Girl.
Wow!
From grade 2, Mount Bulusan, Manila, Macy Lorene, Dingong Bato, Darna!
From Kinder 1, Magellan Cross, Dais, Dylan, Gabrielle. Tortoise, from the Tortoise and the Hare.
Kinder 1, Bangi Wilnius, Manya Zamanaya, the Bear and the Pig, the Bear.
Kinder 1, Fort Santiago, Marquez, Sebastian Liam. Wolf, from the Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Kinder 2 Corridor, Chua Green Tea, Ira, the Tortoise from the Hare and the Tortoise.
Kinder 2, Banauras Terraces, Morgan, Sight Ray, Grasshopper. From the Ant and the Grasshopper.
Kinder 2 Eden Nature Park, Tamayo Kigan, Horse from the Horse and the Donkey.
Kinder 2, Intramuros, Cabas, Aquila, Diona. Cat, from the Cat and the Venus.
Kinder 2 Luna,
Kinder 2, San Juanico Bridge, Talento, Tina Kali, the Mouse, from the Lion and the Mouse.
and for grade 1 and grade 2 from grade 1, Bulinaw Falls, the Tampa and Lique, Dr. Strange.
From grade 1, Dinayan Falls, Diaz, Cleo Pierre, Bisty.
From grade 2, Mount Bulusan, Manila, Macy Lorene, Darna.
From grade 2, Mount Halcon, Oral Luis, Black Panther.
And from grade 2, Mount Taal, Othman, Hurricane, Iron Man. Once again, our book character parade participants. Let's give them loud cheer and a warm round of congratulations.
Good morning, everyone. Today's event has been a testament to how literature continues to inspire and transform. Thank you to all our participants for your dedication, not just as stories, but as tools to shape our world. Congratulations to everyone, and we look forward to celebrating with you again next school year. Thank you so much, all.
Thank you, Teacher Elizabeth Morales, for the heartfelt words.
And that wraps our book character parade. Thank you everyone for joining us today.
Let's keep reading, imagining, and creating. Have a wonderful day and see you at our next event.